Chị chào cháu, dì chúa tao.
Hi there, my name is Sifu Kashanya, and I am the Program Associate for Hmong Culture Camp. As a youth leader from Hmong Culture Camp, I get to teach our children common Hmong phrases, help them sing in Hmong, sing songs in Hmong, and I get to share with them Hmong folk stories that my grandmother used to tuck me into bed with, and so much more.
At Hmong Culture Camp, we want each family to walk away with their own cultural awareness, to build a strong identity and foundation for each of them to become successful in all educational settings. Our mission is to preserve the Hmong language and culture and spread the importance of cultural awareness in Merced and worldwide. Our vision is to grow the roots necessary to nourish a lasting legacy of the Hmong heritage by bridging families and generations through bilaterality.
Please join us for our 1-month session from October 12th through November 6th. We are accepting all children ages 0 to 10 whose family wants to benefit from learning in a dual language environment.
We had originally planned for 2020 to be the year where we share our program with the rest of the world. Because of the current pandemic, we were unable to travel, but we had decided to make our classes online so that we can share with everyone and everyone can take our classes from the comfort of their own home. Our 1-month virtual camps will start October 12th and run until November 6th. We will meet every Monday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Please check out our website to register at www.hmongculturecamp.com. Hurry, our slots are filled up fast.